What up, my little Tyrogues? I'm Hitmon Champion back with another episode of our Pokemon Renegade Platinum Nuzlocke. In the last episode, we made it to Floroma Town. We went over and there's some trouble going on over there at the Valley Windworks that we need to take care of this episode. But first things first, so I tried to have a grinding montage. I had got it recorded, and then I went through editing, and the footage looks terrible. When it's sped up, it's just all jittery and just not smooth at all. It looks absolutely terrible and would be a pain to watch, so I'm just not gonna bother showing it. Which is really unfortunate because we had actually found another shiny. I'm not kidding. We found another shiny during that montage. It was a shiny Voltorb over at the Valley Windworks. Unfortunately, I didn't catch it because I was an idiot and one-shot it. So that's unfortunate. But yeah, I ran into another shiny. Wow, go figure. And I'm also going to go over a team update real quick, and then I got something else to show you guys. So first up, Pimp Spider evolved. He's now a Matang. He's got Iron Head, Zen Headbutt, Takedown, and Iron Defense moveset still the same. And then we have Rocksteady. So Rocksteady I put on the team in place of Evan the Eevee because Evan, he's not going to be evolving for a while. So I figured I need to prepare for this battle with Mars. And so I thought, you know what? A Rhyhorn is pretty bulky. It's resistant to normal type moves. So I thought, let's put Rocksteady on the team. And I've always wanted to use a Rhyhorn and a Rhydon, so I thought it'd be a pretty cool inclusion. So here he is. He's got Bulldoze, Stomp, Rock Blast, and Takedown. We've got Napoleon, our Prinplup, with Bubble Beam, Icy Wind, Hidden Power, and Metal Claw. He learned Icy Wind while we were grinding, of course. We have Genghis, our Nidorino, with Poison Fang, Peck, Double Kick, and Horn Attack. We have Ed, our Mightyena, with Bite, Howl, Sand Attack, and Tackle. And we have Anubis, our Riolu, with Force Palm, Low Kick, Bite, and Rock Tomb. Now, we need to talk to this lady because I was just trying to talk to her, thinking, okay, she might give me an item. And she didn't give me an item. She asked me a series of questions, and then suddenly she battled us. She used all three of the Johto starters, and then she said she's going to give us one. Here's your prize. Congratulations. The Leaf Pokemon. Yay, it's Chikorita. Okay, so... okay, I see. So, she gives you the one that's... the type that defeats your starter. Which, actually, I'm okay with, because Chikorita's the one I wanted. Because we could use a grass type. And, you know, I think Chikorita needs more love anyway. Bam! Yes, I want to give this Chikorita a nickname. I'm going to call you Basil. Just why not? Is that how you spell basil? Hold on, I need to look this up. Okay, yeah, that is how you look it up. Good. So, Basil, welcome to the team. Wait. She gives us all three of them? What? Excuse me? She gives us all three of them. Okay, hold on. Oh, and this Chicory's holding the... What? Okay, then. I got a name for you. Vulcan. There we go. And she's going to give us Totodile. And I got a name for you. Lockjaw. I was not expecting that. I'm not going to put any of them on the... Okay, bye. I need an... Oh, wow. She's kind of rude. Okay, so we'll put these... We'll put these guys up. Put these back on the team. He's holding a Mystic Water. I'm guessing that means you're going to be holding a Charcoal. Yes, you are. So let's take a look at you guys. Your impish nature. Wait. Okay. I didn't hear your cry at first. Impish nature. That's not very good. I do not like that nature for you. Modest. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually a pretty good one for you. That's kind of nice, actually. And lax nature. Blah. It could be worse, but it could be better. Man, if it weren't for the fact that I have Prinplup, I would so put you on the team. I will, however, yoink those items from you guys real quick. Don't mind me. Bag. Bag. And... Actually, I know how I can put that on. There you go. Okay, so... Now, with all that out of the way, did I heal? Yes, I did. It's time to make our way over to the Valley Windworks and make our way up to Mars, which... and save this little girl's daughter. I'm not excited about doing this. I am so afraid of that Purugly. Oh, by the way, there was a Pokeball that I missed on like the previous route, and it was Bullet Seed. So there you go. Was there any items that I found and neglected to show? No. Okay, do I want to put this experience share back on anyone right now? I don't think so. Yeah, no. I think Pimp Spider can actually hold his own now. It's locked from inside. Use the works key. Kerchunk! The door to Valley Windworks opened. And here we go. Oh. What? No way. You have the key? Locking the door was meaningless. I am the loser in this after all. There is no time for self-pity. I got to alert the commander. Oh boy. Is there an item over here that is trying to hide from me? Nope. Okay, then. Let's see what you got. Oi, this is no fun and games. This is proper work, I tell you. Let's see how Pimp Spider does on his own now. Grimer. Oh, this will be an easy peasy one to start with. I forgot, yeah, I forgot that he evolves at level 20. I thought it wasn't in like till like level 25. Somewhere in that wheelhouse. But hey, I'm fine with that because we got him way earlier than I was expecting. And that means he'll actually be a decent part of the team for a while. And yeah, he's just destroying this man. This man had an unfortunate matchup, and they keep calling me a brat. I don't like that. That's mean. There she is. That was fast. Oh, this is not going to be fun. I do have a strategy, though, because I have Ed on the team, and he's got Intimidate, which should help lower that... You missed, really? Pimp Spider, there's no time for that. There we go. I could lower her attack with Intimidate, Pimp Spider would probably be good, except I'm betting that this Purugly's going to have a dark move. And in this game, dark is not resisted by steel, so dark moves are going to be super effective on Pimp Spider. And that's no good. We don't want that. We don't want to be losing Pimp Spider this early on. I'd prefer not to lose him at all, but if we're going to end up losing him, I would prefer we at least got a chance to use him properly. Because then it would just feel like a waste. It'd also be a bit anticlimactic. Okay, Mars. I don't know what she starts off with. Oh, boy. Oh, here we go. I'm one of Team Galactic's 3 commanders. No, wait. That's one of 4 commanders. My name is Mars. We've been trying to create a new world that's better than this one, but people have shown little understanding about what we do. You don't understand either, do you? It's a little saddening. So let's have a battle to decide what we should do next. If I win, you leave. If you win, we, Team Galactic, will leave. Here we go, guys! Okay, she's got 4 Mons. Zubat. Okay, this is a good start. Level 18. I don't seem to be leveled up too high level? Her Purugly could be about level 20, maybe level 21. I don't know. This Zubat's going to get demolished, just boom, right off the bat. And here's the Purugly, so we're going to go to Ed. We're going to lower that attack. And she's bringing out the big guns right off the bat. It's level 19. Okay, I don't think... Okay, hold on. So your defense is 48. Yours is 43. I think I'm going to go to Pimp Spider, predicting that she's not going to use a dark move. Fake out. Okay, so... definitely did not use a dark move. Let's go for Iron Defense. Yep. Yep. Got a dark move. Feint Attack. Okay, that does absolutely nothing. And with Iron Defense, it's going to do even less. So now, I feel confident. And oh boy. Here we go. Starting off with this, huh? I'm going to just go ahead and... Okay, Feint Attack. Let's see how much this does. Absolutely nothing. Oh! Oh! She got a crit there! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, my heart! Oh, wait. Oh, Facade? Okay. Okay. Pimp Spider, bro, you gotta wake up. You gotta wake up, bro. Okay, no more speeding up, because that just about gave me a heart attack. There you go. Okay. Yep, she's got that berry. I kind of just want to heal up in case she crits again. Yeah, let's just do that. I'm afraid. Well, she's gonna hypnosis. Yep, she missed. That's good. Iron Head. She's going for hypnosis again, and she missed. There we go. Yep, there we go. Okay, so the Purugly's down. The Fat Cat's down. We had a scare there for a second. Bronzor. Oh yeah, we can go to Ed. Why not? It's gonna be super effective. We're not gonna be hurt by the... Yeah, this is easy. This is simple. I was imagining Bronzong. That's why it's too early for a Bronzong. Dang, this one's got a berry too. Oh, that didn't do much. Really? Gyrobo. Okay, that did nothing. You know what? Do I have... Yes, I have a Chesto Berry. Just to... There we go. Now bite. There you go. Yanma. Yeah, Rocksteady should do the job. I don't know what a Yanma could do to him. Watch it have, like, Magical Leaf or Bullet Seed or something stupid. And just absolutely obliterate me. Silver Wind. Oh, boy. Actually, that might... Oh... Okay, we got it. There's no way this thing's living this. No way. Couldn't even live one Rock Blast. And there we go. That's Mars down. This can't be. I lost... Dang, this text goes by without me even... Oops, I messed that one up. That's alright, though. I quite enjoyed our battle. My, lose to a child, will you? But no matter, we've collected plenty of electricity. With the power we obtained, we can do something quite spectacular. It seems quite obvious to me. Sharon, the genius even the bosses recognizes. Now, Mars, we should be going. Will you shut up? The boss is the only person in the world who's allowed to order me around. You can keep quiet around me. You only joined us recently. Don't think you're important. I guess it's time to say goodbye and leave for the time being. Team Galactic. They were saying that they had to gather Pokemon and energy no matter what. It was for creating a new universe, or so they claimed. Nothing they said made any sort of sense to me. I can't tell you how grateful I am for you saving me. I can finally see my little daughter again. And there she is! Speak of the devil. Papa! Yuck, Papa, you're stinky. Go shower now, stinky. Oh, sorry. They had me working non-stop. Thank you, trainer. You made those bad people go away. I think the balloon Pokemon will come visit... No! No. You do not want that happening. I know what you're talking about. You do not want that thing visiting you. Oh, it's Looker. Ah, yes, it is you. Yes, I have heard that Team Galactic appeared in this power plant. I have, therefore, come running. So the Team Galactic, where are they? You have run them off, you say. You are a trainer, but very well. I shall go investigate inside. Yeah, I'd imagine he talks real fast. Oh, we really gotta wait here for him? Magnificent. Yes, it is. What you have said, it is all true. Superb. Though you are young, you are a trainer through and through. Very well. I shall pursue the culprits. I have received tips that the Team Galactic hideout is in Eterna City. To there, I must be off. Okay. Now then. Let's go heal. And then we can finally go up now, because those rude Team Galactic grunts are not blocking us anymore. Let's see what kind of new... Wait, are you someone? Oh, you're new? You weren't there before. Who do I... Yeah, let's let Genghis have a go, because I'm ready for him to... Wait, what? If you saw their sweet honey on a... Okay, he's just telling you how the tree works. I thought you were a trainer. I don't care about those honey trees. Hey, you, battle me. It's a long way between Floroma Town and Eterna City, so let's battle. Okay, then. Not sure how you came to that conclusion. I was trying to think of some snarky, just witty comeback, but I'm not clever enough for that kind of stuff. Tickle? Don't you tickle me! I don't like being tickled. Slack off. Bam. And now I'm asleep. Yay. Rocksteady. Blam! Obliterated. There's a Pokeball down there and I want it. I have to get it. I forgot to switch. Shoot. Oh no, please don't have Arena Trap. If you have Arena Trap, I'm going to be so upset. Oh, thank you. Oh. I'm really glad you didn't have Arena Trap, because Genghis would have just died there. Just outright. He would be DED dead. I gotta get back to a Pokemon Center and heal. Genghis, we gotta wake you up, brother. We can't have you sleeping on the job. Get in the Pokemon Center, you fool. You know, I really should be looking at this clock to tell me how long I've been recording, but I don't pay attention to it. What makes you think I pay attention to that? Hey, Flower Lady, you have grass types. Genghis eats those alive. Yeah, see? That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, Bulbasaur. Ah, it still did nothing. Is this a new area? Wait, no, it shouldn't be a new area. Yeah, no, it ain't a new area. So back up here we go. Hold on, why is this area here? Is there something up? There's a Stardust up here. Random little ledge for Stardust. Hello, sir. A Shellos. Oh, you think your Harden's gonna help you? Well, it did kind of help you that time, but it won't now. Toxic Spikes. Ooh. Might not be that bad, actually. You know what? Let's go for it. I don't really need Peck anymore. Onyx, ooh. Who wants to have a go at the... Anubis, I think you can do it. You still got it. Yeah, there you go. Didn't even break a sweat. Well, maybe a little bit of a sweat. You walked way further than I thought you were going to. Machop. Yeah, sure. Poison Fang. Seismic. Oh, that's nothing compared. That's nothing to me. Metatite. I do need to switch out now. Wow, we really don't have much for a Metatite. Napoleon will have to do. Yeah, we might as well just stay out with Napoleon. Because Mankey is super frail. Repel. Not bad to have. Definitely not bad to have. Random House. What is this? I gotta see what this is. Oh, she's a nice lady that lets you heal. Are useful. Yes, they are. They are very useful. They are very useful. Do I want those? I don't think I need those. Wait. Oh, but there's a Pokeball down there. I know. I gotta go get it. I have to. It's just in my blood. Destiny. Well, that was not worth it. That was not worth it at all. Sure, Anubis, you have a go. Yeah, see, you got this. No problem. Bam. You see that? All it was a little Pachirisu. You can handle that. If you couldn't handle a Pachirisu, I might have had to reconsider your position on the team. Okay, it's using Bide, but it's gonna die before that matters. Like, we have a Lucario already! Yeah! He didn't learn any moves, but... Yeah! Let's look at you. Steadfast. We don't have anything that flinches. Except bite. That's pretty awesome. So you know what I'm going to do now? Now that you're evolved... Where is it? Slightly boost super effective moves. Okay, that's not what I thought it was. Destiny not. Oh wait, it becomes infatuated. Still not a good item. Do I want to give you the expert belt? Yeah, sure, why not? Why not? That feels fitting for you. I was gonna go heal, but I figured, meh, might as well. Actually, that's a forest. Oh, is this where we're gonna meet? Yes, it is. Eternita Forest. Hello there, Cheryl. And you are? Okay, so your name is Aaron. I'm sincerely glad to meet you. Are you a strong trainer? Sorry to be so sudden, but may we have a battle so I can test your strength? Wasn't expecting her to battle me. Oh, she's got 4 Mons, too. Drifloon. This is the bad one you don't want your children grabbing onto. Ominous Wind. Oh, God, actually, that's super effective. Ooh, that kind of hurt. Okay, yep. I'm switching out. I'm not risking a crit. This should do nothing. Yeah, that did absolutely nothing. And that bite took it out. Makuhita. Pimp Spider's kind of hurting, man. I don't know. Let's go to Napoleon. Oh, fake out. Oh. Well. Napoleon's level 25 now. Chansey. Ooh, who do we want to get this juicy experience? Genghis. Oh, Genghis. Let's do this, buddy. Double kick. There's no way this Chansey's surviving. It's gonna... Wait, what? No way. No way. Oh, gosh. Ooh. Okay, well, it's definitely not... Okay, she just healed. I was about to say, there's no way it's surviving another one. And it didn't, even with her healing. And now he's level 24. And a Whalmer. Let's go to Anubis. Let's see our new Lucario in action. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Force Palm. This should take out the Whalmer, no problem. No problem. Okay, well, he survived. She survived. I was not expecting that. Anubis, you might have to step it up a little bit. That could have been better. Striking the right balance of offensive and defensive. I'm never going to get to finish reading those. Ah, marvelous. Aaron, may I ask a big favor of you? I want to get through this forest, but I'm afraid of doing it alone. From the battle we just had, I can see you're a strong trainer. I've heard that there is a sinister group of people called Team Galactic about. I think there'd be safety in numbers. Please, may I go through with you? We don't really get a choice in the matter, but I would have said yes anyway. And did she heal my team? She did. She's such a nice lady. And now we can catch something. First, I gotta get this Pokeball. Of course I do. So what are we gonna get in here? Probably a bug type. It's rot covered in moss. Oh. Oh, we got a Leaf Stone! So does that mean we can evolve Evan into Leafeon if we want? That's pretty good. Okay. So we got a Baneri and a Paris. So. Well, I think I'm going to go for the... Well, I don't know. Baneri's going to take forever to evolve because it starts off at, like, the lowest possible happiness. I remember I tried to use one in Shining Pearl, and it took forever, even with a Soothe Bell. But Paris and Parasect also just not really that good. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna use a coin. I'm gonna use a coin flipper. The audio kind of messes up on the game when I'm not on the screen. Okay, so it's flipping right now, but I'm not gonna. Okay, so heads will be the Baneri, or no, heads will be the Paris, tails will be the Baneri. So here we go, flipping. It's tails. So it looks like we're catching the Baneri. I just have to hope that, well, I mean, I don't think a frustration. That was a crit. Why do you know frustration? Oh well. Okay, just don't Ice Beam, hello? Oh no, you got a crit. Well, doesn't matter, because we failed to catch either of them. Wasn't very cool of you, Cheryl. That kind of sucks. That was kind of a sucky thing for you to do, but I'll let it slide this time. I should really be battling some people. Yeah, I'm going to let Genghis get up to level 25, so then I can evolve him. Double battle, here we go. So, a Baneri and a Surskit. Well, double kick the Baneri. This should be fairly simple right here. Oh, that crit. Oh, this scope lens is... This scope lens is putting in work. Thunderbolt. What is this Chansey's moveset? Good lord. Hyper Voice, Ice Beam, Thunderbolt. What's next? Are you gonna have Flamethrower next? Meryl. Oh, that's a fairy type in this game. So, Poison Fang. Poison Fang is gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Look at that. You gonna have Flamethrower? Thunderbolt. Is Chansey, like, actually able to learn these moves naturally? Because that's kind of nutty if so. Oh, just punch the mic a little bit. Yeah, Horn Attack's about all we can do here. That's all we need. Is that their last Mon? Nope, one more, and it's a Paris. Yeah, Poison Fang should be fine. Wait, does... I thought I remembered Bug resisting poison at one point. Am I having a Mandala effect, or... I don't know. Did he get to level 20? He did not get to level 25. Shoot. Oh, he's close, though. Once he gets to level 25, it's evolution time. I'm busting out that Moonstone. Oh, it definitely ain't going to be right now. Those are psychic trainers. Yeah. Let me just bust out my dark type real quick and dispatch of you scrubs. I actually really like Hypno and Drowsy. I get they are kind of creepy. But, like, that's kind of the whole point. They're based on... They're in Crunch? Absolutely. Yeah, we might as well get rid of Bite. They're based on the... Oh, what's that thing called? It's like a monster from mythology that's like a tapir that eats your dreams. So they always were kind of supposed to be a little sinister. But also, like, just in general, I used Hypno a lot when I played Pokemon Fire Red all the time. Because I was never able to get an Alakazam, because I never had anybody to trade with. So my go-to Psychic type was always Hypno. He was easy to get a hold of. He evolved pretty quickly. And he was able to put in the work. Yeah, I enjoyed using Hypno. It was a regular... He's a regular part of my Kanto teams. Yeah, we might as well just... Oh, gosh. Ed's taken a little bit of a beating in this battle, but he'll be fine. He got a crit. That wasn't entirely needed, but appreciated, Ed. I appreciate the sentiment. And that's them down. And now we can go back to Genghis, so I can let him level up so we can evolve him. Because that's all I want to do. Oh, Pokeball. You know I got to get that. It's a netball. Actually, it might come in handy. I'm probably about to have to put on a repel soon. Maybe. What's up here? See? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. And maybe I don't need to repel. The encounter rate isn't that bad. Ooh, gotta get that Pokeball, though. You know I do. You know I do. Did I just, like, dodge everybody? Oh, we could have gotten a Shroomish. Oh, man. Did we actually... Oh, wait, what's up here? What's up here now? Oh. Oh, it's that old haunted house that... Considering where we are with Cheryl, that's kind of giving me some bad flashbacks. Some of you might know what I'm talking about. Shadow Claw? Okay. Alright then. Shadow Claw. That should be a good one to have. Let's get out of this forest. Oh, there's the exit. I'm so relieved. We finally got here. I would have never been able to get through this by myself. Thank you so much, Aaron. This is a token of my appreciation. Please accept it. TM27s? What is that? I'm sure we'll meet again somewhere. Bye for now. TM27. What do we have here? Return. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a real good one. You know, let's teach it to Anubis because he's got some pretty high friendship right now. There we go. Yeah, we don't really need low kick. We have force palm. Can you learn Shadow Claw, buddy? Yes, you can. So what do we get rid of? Yeah, we might as well get rid of Horn Attack, because... Is there anything else you can learn that I might want to teach you? Doesn't look like it right now. You know what? I'm going to do it right now. I'm just going to quick grind to get him to level 25, and then it's evolution time. There we go, baby. He's level... Shroomish, don't interrupt right now. He's level 25, and you know what that means. It's time to bust out this Moonstone. Oop, there it is. Alright, here we go, guys. There he is, the king, baby. Oh, you trying to learn something? Thrash. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's a tough call to make right there. I don't know about that. Yeah, no thanks. I think I'm good. I think I'm A-okay there. Route 205. Oh, I think this is still... Yeah. Yeah, this is still part of the area down there, so this is not a new route. I'm just going to pass by these fishermen real quick. And now we are in Eterna City. And I believe, depending on the time... Oh, for sure. This is going on way longer than I expected it to. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of our Pokemon Renegade Platinum Nuzlocke. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time.